Hello everybody, today we are making a volcano. So first you will need a plastic bottle,
You want your script?
this
I
thingy,
finished it.
a cardboard.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
You will need some construction paper, right? But and then after you've cut up the construction paper with a scissor, please be careful when you use these. You will cut it up into strips like this, right? And then you will need some vinegar, some Dawn soap, some baking soda,
Spilled everything.
tape,
This is just for the video.
and a measuring cup. Alright guys, so now we shall start. First you put your plastic bottle in the middle here. And then you tape it down with tape. Good old fashioned tape. And now we are taping down the plastic bottle so it will stay still when we tape it down more later. Please remember to take off your cap of your plastic bottle and put it to the side. Now you will need some paper strip, red, yellow, orange, so it will look like a volcano.
Smaller bag.
Some type.
Bigger bag. You're going sealed, a bigger bag.
So you will need Scotch tape.
Make sure there's no air.
Make a tiny
inside
piece.
the bag.
Make it double-sided.
Somebody was coming.
Put it on. Take some more. Make some more double-sided tape.
Why'd you come?
And then you just kind of do it like that. Next, we will take some baking soda, measuring cup, pour some in there. Some of that pure white stuff. Put it in. Put it in there, guys. Just put a lot of it in there.
Bro.
Gotta take some water and drink it. So we'll have some, good stuff. Free water bottle, and you pour some soap in there. Just a lot of that good stuff. Right, and then you just kind of mix it up real good.
Put a lot more vinegar.
Right, so we just shake it up a little bit, mix it good, and then now that that is done, we'll pour the vinegar into here. And ka-chow, there's your volcano.
Look at there.
Eruption. That is a very cool eruption, you guys. Whoa. What a marvelous eruption. I mean, this is just great.